I'm back home. I'm back home. I'm back. All right. But Malachi's over there watching the movie. But while he is calm, cool, and collected, I'm going to be decorating his room. So he has like a spaceman sports thingy going on. So, and please excuse me, okay? But he has a space thing going on, and not everything's ordered. So I'm gonna just give you guys just a part one of putting his room together. So like, comment, and subscribe, and I will get back to you. Oh, and stay tuned because I'm gonna do a baking video at the end of this week. So make sure you turn on your notifications and watch the videos. Okay, bye.